You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Got this ring that is more of a promise ring to myself that I don't want to settle for less.
No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade?
Another day, another vlog. Please guys, forgive me for coming at you looking like this. Anyway, as you have seen from the previous clips, I did wake up extremely early, so I was thorough cleaning and all that. But anyway, before I get into talking too much, yapping and all that, onto my intro. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube space. If you are new here, my name is Gift Nasimiu. Trust me, you will love the vibes on here. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know how we do it. Welcome back, babe. Welcome back. Back to what I was saying. So I woke up extremely early, extremely early, because I just wanted to do laundry and thorough clean the house. Keep in mind that I had thorough cleaned this house like 3 days ago, or was it 2 days ago? But today was just in that, cleaning mood and all that, just feeling nice, having a cozy space and all that. So I decided to wake up and thorough clean. So now that that is out of the way, I do have a waxing appointment because we do have to get rid of the burning bush. We have to deal with that. Hey, I'm just joking. Yeah, so I have a waxing appointment and I need to get my nails done as well. So I have not yet taken a shower, but I'll be doing that shortly. But before I jump into the shower, let me show you what I'll be wearing. So on top, I'll be having this striped shirt, which I'll be ironing in a few minutes. And then for the pants, okay, let me put that because of the microphone. Then for the pants, I'll be wearing these jeans that kind of have two shades. Not even kind of, they have, like the jeans have two shades. And then for the shoes, the jeans were actually a gift from my friend Lois Mwangi. I love you girl. And then for the shoes, I'll be rocking these sandals with some, shimmy shimmy. Yeah. So for the bag, I've not yet decided what I'll be carrying, but I'll figure that out later. But for now, let me just fix this mess.
2,000 years later.
So I am ready to head out, and this is what I have so far. I've just had to put that belt because, hey, I've realized that I think I've lost weight. Then for the sandals, it's just what I showed you guys. I'll give you a clear view once I'm outside. And then for the bag, I'll be going with this Cab Brown bag. Yeah, so I guess that is it. Let me head out then. I'll catch up with you guys later once I get to the spa.
Hey desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. get your feet wet, gotta give what you get. I don't wanna finish where we started. Like the river flowing, tell me where we're going. Take me to a place that's brand new.
Yo, when I tell you immediately I was done getting my nails done, I just started craving ice cream just from nowhere, and I decided to go to YOLO Ice Cream for a solo date, because you know I really love their ice cream and their vibes on there. Do you see that artwork? Do you see that artwork? Anyway, I'm one person who really enjoys her own company, so I didn't mind sitting all here by myself and just, you know, having a good time and adding some calories on my body. As I wait for my order, you guys, check out my nails. Check out my nails. Anyway, I ordered Familiar Stranger, and this is how it looks like. I did order extra toppings as well. That is marshmallows and some Smarties.
Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. For you. There's nothing I wouldn't do. For you. There's nothing I wouldn't do.
So guys, I am finally back home. Right now it's like, I think it's heading to 10 p.m. Yeah, so today was more of just some bit of self-care, you know, self-love and all that. Anyway, so I want to close this video, but before I do that, I'm guessing by now you have already seen how my nails turned out. You say just keep on doing this. Yo, you've already seen how my nails turned out, and then you've already seen the waxing part. So even before I get to whatever I was to tell you guys, so Pink, is it called Pink and Pearl? I think Pink and Pearl. So yeah, this was my first time going there for waxing, because the last time I waxed from a different place. Even before I get to whatever I wanted to tell you guys, let me tell you, I did enjoy that waxing experience. Did you see how beautiful that place is? Here, if you are into aesthetics, hygiene, and everything in between, please run to Pearl and Pink and Pearl. Trust me, you love it. You love it. So I did get waxed, and then I did my nails as well. I got a pedicure as pedicure. Yeah, pedicure. Is someone calling me? Oh, okay. Anyway, so I think once you get used to this waxing thing, like, it's never that serious. But it doesn't mean that it wasn't painful, but it was worth it. Anyway, so let me show you some random stuff that I bought as usual. So first things first, I got this ring that is more of a promise ring to myself that I don't want to settle for less, because I'm trying so much to invest in myself, just generally, you know, love on myself and all that. Please, you better stop settling for less. Anyway, so yeah, so this is basically just a promise to myself that I won't settle for less. You feel me? Yeah, if you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. Yeah, so that is yeah, that's just about it. This one, I think I just got it from a random shop in town, and it was just going for 150,000. It was going for 150 shillings. Yeah, and then other random stuff that I got, I of course got more sunglasses, because I've noticed that the current sunglasses that I have keep on sliding. So I don't know if it's my head that has grown big or it's the sunglasses that have expanded. So this is the first one. Yeah, it's giving bodyguard vibes. And then for the second one, I feel like they are more or less of the same vibe. I think the color is just what's different. This one gives, I don't really know, but that is the second one. And then for the third one, why do this mini look same, by the way? I feel like they're just same but different colors, but yeah, bodyguard vibes. Yeah. And then another thing that I got was this turmeric face mask. I just got it as one because, as I've said, I just bought it randomly from a shop in town. So it's not where I normally get my skincare or whatever from. But I did want to do a facial over the weekend, so I thought, why not? It was going for 150 shillings, which is on the higher side, considering that I normally get my masks at 50 shillings. Anyway, and then I got this Estelin retinol. Oh, I feel like the light is too much. Okay, I got that as well. Is that all? I guess that's all. Yeah, so anyway, guys, that is all. I'm telling you, I'm just as tired as I look. I'm so tired. So I want to quickly take a shower, catch up with work a bit, then go to bed. But all I want to say is thank you for the support that you guys have been showing me by watching my content, subscribing, sharing, taking the time to leave a comment. I do not take it for granted, and I love you guys so, so much from the bottom of my heart. To all my girlies, and to men as well, by the way, if you want a place to maybe get waxed, get groomed, Pink and Pearl, I'll leave their handle somewhere here. Pink and Pearl is the place for you. Kwanza unajua nini, you can even go as a couple, you and your partner. Yo, it's a date. Yeah, so you can just go there and get groomed, have a good time. Yeah, even my fellow men. I'm tired. No, I didn't mean to say my fellow men. Dear men, our men, please, trust me, you love that experience. Is it normally called a man what? Man, waxing for men, what is it called? Manjation. I'm not sure, but you can go get waxed as well at an affordable price. Anyway, guys, that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment as well.
Give it time. I know that